Birds. Safe wings, safe earth. So, my kids, how was the trip?
It was very good, teacher. We enjoyed and learned a lot. Thank you for taking us.
You know, kids, birds are very important to us and the nature. The number of bird species is becoming less day by day. Following are the reasons. The main reason is loss of their habitat. We humans cut forests and trees where birds build their nests. Pollution has caused climate change and that causes death of the birds. The thread used for flying kite are coated with glass that kills the birds. Humans also hunt birds for food and the number decreases. So you see kids, it is very important to protect the birds. So, students, I hope you understand the importance of birds to us and our nature.